Okay guys, for tonight's video we see the Mercato at night time. Many people are here. This is the airport access road. Okay. So I'm waiting for a passenger since I dropped the passenger here. I catered an order to buy something at Santa Barbara proper and deliver it to the airport. And going back, I catered a passenger going here, Mercato. It helps to decongest the parking congestion of vehicles in the airport. While waiting for your passenger from the airplane, you could park your vehicle here. See, lots of people are dining in. That's all. Some of the lights are solar powered. See? So come visit Mercato at Santa Barbara Heights. This is not a paid advertisement, but it's good that the town of Santa Barbara has lots of visitors and it can be catered very much. That's for today's video.